Hello traders, this is an official video from the CScalp team. My name is Yaroslav and I'm going to tell you how to register on OKEx Exchange, how to create API case and how to connect to OKEx via CScalp. In order to create an account, follow OKEx.com and click on sign up button at the top. You will be redirected to the page with a form where you should enter email and password. Pay attention that you can also register via Telegram or Google. When you finish, click on the sign up button. After that, the captcha slider will be loaded. We need to match the puzzle into a picture. On the next page, you should enter a 6-digit code from a letter that you received. Then we follow our email, look for the letter, and copy the code or try to memorize it. Then follow our previous page and enter the code. Press the continue button or wait until the page redirects you to another. Next, hover the cursor over the profile icon and select the API icon in the drop-down list. Now you are on the API settings page. We see a message that you need to connect a phone number or Google Authenticator before configuring the API. I will connect Google Authenticator because it will be more convenient for me. I click on this link and follow to the connection page where I see QR code. I scan the QR code using my mobile app and copy the encryption key to Google Authenticator. Next to the email code field, I click on the Get Code button to receive an email with a confirmation code. Follow the email tab, then search for the email with code, copy it and paste it into the field. In the next field, I enter the code from the Google Authenticator app and click on Confirm. Let's create API case. To do this, click on the Create API Key V5 button and follow the next page. In the name field, enter the name of your API. In the API password field, we set a password for additional security of our case. Then in the permission section, we have to enable the trade option. In the email code field, click on the Get Code button. After that, you will receive an email with the confirmation code. Enter it in the field. In the Google Authenticator field, enter the 60-digit code from the app and click on the Confirm button. It's done. API keys have been created. A pop-up window will appear where the API key and the secret key will be specified. Be sure to copy them to a secure place on your computer, for example in a text document. Now I will show you how to install CScalp and connect to OKEx Exchange. Open the installation file, select the language in the window and click OK. Read the license agreement and accept it by activating this item. Then click Next. Select the installation path and click Next. In the next window, select the folder for the Start menu and click Next again. When the installation process is completed, do not turn off the Launch Facero Launcher option and click on the Finish button. The launcher will be started. We select CScalp and window will appear for selecting the license file. Click on this icon and specify the path to the file downloaded from the letter. Select it and click on the Open button. This is how we activate this CScalp license. Then a window will appear for setting PIN, but this is not necessary. You can click on the Skip button. That's it, we have installed it and launched CScalp. Now I will show you how to connect to the OKEx Exchange in CScalp. Follow Terminal Settings and find OKEx in the Connections tab. Click on the gear icon and open the connection settings of OKEx Perpetual Swaps. In the API key field, enter the API key. And in the API secret field, enter the secret key. This case we have created earlier. After that, we enter the password from the API case and turn off the View Mode switcher to start trading. Click on the OKEx logo for Get Connected to the exchange. If the connection was successful, it will be highlighted in green. You can add tickers and start trading. I will demonstrate the placement of orders on the Wi-Fi USDT ticker. I will add an order book by clicking on the plus icon on the left side of terminal and then click on the ticker sign. In the window that opens, I will use the search, type Wi-Fi USDT and do a double click for adding a ticker. Using the left mouse button, I will try to place orders in the buyer zone and with the right mouse button in the seller zone. As we can see, orders are placed. One of the important things: before start trading, make sure that your OKEx account settings are correct. I will show you a couple of the most common errors and their solutions. If you see an error operation is not supported under the current account mode while you place order, you should follow FAQ on our website. You can find out your error and solution. In our case, you need to check the account mode. To do this, follow the exchange's website, click on the gear icon in upper corner, go to the account mode section and activate the single currency margin mode. Try to place an order on CScalp again, but another error parameter post-site error appears. We should follow CScalp FAQ page, look for this error and find solution. According to the description, you should follow the exchange website and go back to the settings. Opposite the order placement mode item, change it to net. Try to place orders again and as you can see, all the issues have been solved. You can start trading. We can finish our video. I showed you how to register on OKEx, how to create API case, and how to connect to OKEx via CScalp trading terminal. If you didn't understand something, write your question under the video please, or contact our support team. Happy profits guys, goodbye.